Most people get this wrong. They think Payway USA is just another payday loan or BNPL app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it offers quick cash access, flexible payment options, and budgeting tools, making it a practical choice for managing short-term financial needs. Here's how it works. Payway USA allows users to request short-term advances or split urgent expenses into manageable payments. Funds are usually available within hours, ideal for car repairs, unexpected bills, or medical emergencies. The app provides clear repayment schedules, notifications, and reminders to keep you on track. A major benefit is the spending management tools. You can track repayment progress, upcoming obligations, and even see insights into your spending patterns. This makes Payway USA more than just a cash advance, it's a short-term financial planning tool. The downside? Overuse can become costly. Using Payway USA for everyday spending instead of emergencies can result in accumulating fees. Responsible use is key. Tips for smart use: 1. Only request advances or split payments you can repay on time. 2. Track repayment schedules carefully. 3. Use the budgeting features to monitor spending. Who benefits most? People with steady income and occasional urgent expenses. Those prone to overspending or regular income may face higher costs. In conclusion, Payway USA in 2026 is fast, flexible, and practical, but only if used responsibly. Treat it as an emergency tool, plan repayments carefully, and monitor your spending. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable financial advice.